What's up, guys? It was a very productive day. Lauren had an awesome DJ set at 7. She's back here and she's waving.
Hi, team.
We had some delicious sushi.
Dude, so good.
I painted a bunch of boxes. They look awesome. I'll show you guys. For all of these Nolan Ryan cards, which are about to come out, everyone's getting custom boxes that are numbered 1 of 30, 2 of 30, etc. Just finished the boxes right now. I finally got my hologram stickers. I got them on. Look at all these beauties. Nolans. So I also I gotta put them on the reds. I'm still gonna do that tonight. And then also the silvers and the gold. So today, this is a pre-recorded video, by the way, but not by much. It's like 9:30 right now. I'm gonna show you guys time lapses of everything I did today. While that's happening, while you guys are watching that, I'm finishing putting all of those stickers, hologram stickers on. Tony is coming back tomorrow, which is amazing. And we're gonna mail every single Nolan Ryan. It's gonna get mailed tomorrow. Probably we're gonna have some Jackies and some Dons start to go out as well, but definitely all the Nolans going out. I can't wait. I know you guys have been patiently waiting, and so I'm excited to finally get them out now that we have the hologram stickers. And I decided last minute to make these custom boxes, so hope you guys love them. They're kind of works of art on their own. So anyways, enjoy some time lapses. Have a great night. Stay awesome. Morning, guys. It's gonna be a big day. Great day to have a great day. UPS store. I've got some mail. Gary V sealed tops, direct 360 packs, which we're going to be breaking at some point. All the same ones that I had before. A bunch of art, but I slipped in some new ones. This, Ricky. Now there's a Ricky card. Look at that, me and my dad. One of my first A's games. That's on the back of the business card. This is costume instructions I made for my grandma. Back of the business card. Me, hooked on baseball. Front page of newspaper I was 4 years old, so 89. And then we have Don Mattingly AP. And the rest are just same ones I had before. So everyone is gonna get a couple cards with their order. And some of them are super sick. Well, they're all super sick, but I love those ones. Okay, not a bad mail day. Now we have a lot to do. We got to put stickers. Stickers on Nolans. That's next. Okay, part 2. Just went to the UPS store again. Shipping envelopes. Got a mini micro HDMI to HDMI cable for my new camera that I got. I'm gonna open a couple other things. So one's got the double box. Oh, okay, awesome. Right. So this is gonna be fun. Disney Simba. Here's to having fun. Nothing great. Just some base cards. No prisms. Odds and ends. Hope you enjoy. Buy one of your children's books. Stay safe. This thing's 3,000. Bow breaks.